Again, I created this for the face-to-face classes, but I didn't think it would hurt if I reviewed it very quickly because I know you're all experienced in team meetings. And so I'd like to stress at your first meeting that you do set the parameters of what works and what doesn't based on your work experience. Now, there are tools you can use, Skype or Google Hangout. I have suggested a new one, Collaborate, which is part of the Blackboard learning management system. You will meet multiple times in order to get work done. And when you do your draft, be sure everybody participates. I know you all work and you're all busy, but if you don't keep to your timeline, you will have your team suffer, as I know you've learned at work as well as I have. And then, of course, in the revision and the editing, please, everybody take a look at that, because if you assign the paper in chunks, which is what almost everyone does, each chunk will be written in a different style, and you all have to smooth it over. I provide an awful lot of help in the directions on how to do that. The finalization should have all members looking at it and checking it off. And in the submission, only one teammate, please, submits the paper with everyone's name on it. I learned a long time ago that if I ask each individual person to do it, someone will inevitably submit a draft and not the final product. So I've learned the hard way, and you may have also experienced that in your careers.